In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deploy Next.js to Netlify. Before you begin the deployment, make sure your project scripts are properly set up to build the application. This is important because Netlify relies on your project's build configuration to generate the production version of your Next.js app. If your build script is missing or incorrect, the deployment can fail even if everything else is set up correctly. It's a good idea to quickly review your package configuration and confirm that your app builds successfully in your local environment first. Once that's ready, commit your latest code changes and push your project to a remote Git provider such as GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket. This step matters because Netlify will connect directly to your repository and pull the code from there. In other words, the version you deploy should already be saved and available remotely, not just on your computer. Next, log into your Netlify dashboard. After you're signed in, look for the button that says Add New Project. Click it, and from the drop-down menu, choose the option to import an existing project. This tells Netlify that you want to create a new site based on code that already lives in a Git repository. From there, choose the Git provider where your Next.js project is hosted and authorize Netlify to access your account if prompted. Depending on your permissions, you may need to approve access to specific repositories or your full account. After the connection is complete, Netlify will show you a list of available repositories. Select the specific Next.js repository you want to deploy. Now you'll arrive at the Build Settings screen. This is where you configure how Netlify should build and publish your app. Take a moment here to review the settings carefully. Netlify often detects common frameworks automatically, but it's still worth confirming that everything matches your project setup. Before launching the build, click on Add Environment Variables. This is especially important if your app depends on secret values or configuration settings, such as API endpoints, public app settings, or tokens used during the build process. Enter each required key and value pair carefully. Make sure the names match exactly what your application expects, since even small typos can cause runtime or build issues. Once your environment variables are in place and your build settings look correct, go ahead and deploy the site. Netlify will start pulling your repository, installing dependencies, and running the build process. After the deployment finishes, your site will be live on a Netlify URL, and from then on, future pushes to your connected branch can trigger automatic redeploys.